Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on vibration for messages on this device. Whenever you get a new messages, then you can feel a vibration. How to turn on this one? Simply go to settings, scroll to bottom, tap on the option apps. From the list of applications, select the application messages. Tap on notifications. Now tap on the option sound. On the top you can see the option haptics. Now default haptics is enabled. If you want to disable this one, you can select none. Otherwise you can select any haptics from here. If you want to create a new vibration, tap on the option new vibration and you can make new here. Tap on save. You can save a name here. Tap on save. Now you can see this one is selected. So simply in this way we can turn on vibration for messages on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.